friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Today I'm showing you how to make a basic vanilla sponge cake. To make this easy sponge cake, we are going to start by combining all our dried ingredients together. I have 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour here. I'll add in half teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'll just mix everything together to mix nicely and then set this aside. So I've got 4 eggs here, so we are going to separate the whites from the yolks. The yolk is going to be transferred into another bowl. To the egg white, add half teaspoon of white vinegar. The vinegar helps to curdle the egg white and gives it a stiff peak. Now we are going to beat this for about 5 minutes. I've got 3/4 cup of confectioner sugar here. I'm going to add half part of it to the egg white and continue beating. So I'll add this a little at a time. So once a stiff peak is formed, scrape down the sides of the bowl and set this aside. Now you're going to beat the egg yolks. So we are going to add the remaining part of the powdered sugar to the egg yolks and beat this as well. So you can see every bone consistency is formed. At this point, this is exactly what you wanted, so we are going to stop beating this. Next, we are going to go in with 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 4 tablespoons of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat this for a minute until it's nicely combined. Once everything is nicely combined just like so, add in the flour mixture just a little at a time. Gently fold this in with a spatula. And also add in half part of the meringue. And fold this in as well. Add in the remaining flour and fold in. By gradually adding this, we are making sure air is incorporated into the batter. This way you are going to end up with a spongy cake. Finally, add in the remaining meringue and fold this in as well. Let everything incorporate nicely. What we are basically going to be doing here is to fold in and cut. Fold and cut. That way you are incorporating air into the batter. Once your batter is smooth and well mixed just like mine, you can stop mixing this. Just push this aside and quickly grease your cake mold with some melted butter. This will prevent the cake from sticking to the bottom or the sides of the pan. Once you're done, place a rounded parchment paper in the middle of the pan. For easy release, I'll still love to grease the parchment paper also. While doing this, make sure you have preheated your oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. So bring in the batter into the pan. Gently tap this a few times to level the surface. Pop this up into the preheated oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. So guys, after 35 minutes of baking our sponge cake, it's ready. You can insert a toothpick into the middle, and once it comes out very clean just like so, it means your cake is done. Just go ahead and slice your sponge cake into any shape you like. This sponge cake is really soft, moist, and really spongy, just as the name implies. I hope you really like this homemade sponge cake. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. You can like the video and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so before you leave this platform. Until next time guys, let's see you again. Bye.